Hi, I'm Garrett Town with AM Solar, and if you've seen some of our other videos, you've seen some pretty exotic systems. Well, today we're going to be talking about something a little more down to earth. This is a 2019 R-Pod.
Hey guys, we're up on the roof of this Hood River R-Pod, and we are looking at this 100 watt Zamp panel. So many trailers nowadays are coming with solar prepped or solar ready kits, and basically what that means is that there's a cable from the roof going down to the batteries, pre-installed from the factory. That is the same with this coach, and you can see that we've utilized that and brought this 100 watt Zamp panel right into these simple MC4 connections, and it's all ready to go. For the mounts, we've used just our laser cut stainless steel rocker mount feet, and because they are using a fiberglass smooth roof surface, we're just taping down to the roof and then sealing on top of that tape. Creates a nice strong connection to the roof, and there's no roof penetration.
What kind of sealant are you using?
This is actually Sikaflex, just to give it a little bit more adhesion. You could also use Dicor, which is a sealant with no adhesion factor. So you guys, now we're on the other end of the pre-wire, which is this 10 gauge cable you see right here coming into the PV side of our charge controller. That is cable that the factory had pre-installed. Saves you a ton of time for doing your solar route. Basically don't have to do one, so you're just connecting it to the batteries and you're off and running.
So on another R-Pod I worked on, it was actually my aunt's, there was a pre-wire sticker on a cabinet that was right by the stereo system, and we looked at that. I'm like, the pre-wire can't be there. It turns out the pre-wire sticker was put on the wrong cabinet. The pre-wire was actually in a totally different place, so you want to be really careful when you're doing that on R-Pods.
So guys, here we have just a really basic 2 6-volt flooded battery system. These are just Interstate GC2 deep cycle batteries. This customer had his R-Pod purchased from the factory with these 2 batteries just to give him some more capacity. And it's just a great utilization of an exterior storage of your batteries. Simple lead acid technology, bulletproof, and works great.
And it's 2 6-volt batteries connected in series with this cable right here, so that makes the voltage of the 2 batteries add to give you 12 volts. So this system uses a Victron 1200 watt pure sine inverter. These are very popular with vans and RVs because they can run loads like Instapots, crock pots, coffee makers, etc.
So you guys, this is what's called a standalone inverter, meaning it just takes DC, producing AC, and it supplies that AC to a couple outlets. Typically those outlets, when you're not using the inverter, are no longer supplied power via shore power or generator. What we've done in this application though is add this transfer switch, which allows the system to see incoming shore power when the inverter is not on, and to supply power to those same circuits. So you don't lose any of your inside residential outlets just when the inverter is running. So last piece of hardware that we added to this system was this Victron BMV-712. It's a battery monitor that allows you to accurately track the state of charge of the batteries, as well as the incoming amperage, the voltage, anything you want to know about the batteries. Really reliable piece of technology, and it's great to have in your system. So in conclusion guys, AM Solar has a wide variety of systems that we install, from the most complex all the way down to just a basic, simple battery monitor, inverter, solar assembly, just to upgrade the electrical abilities of your coach. And we install them or sell them to you as kits.